Hello, hello, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to start our 13.1 exercise. Different formulas related to surface area and volumes of the cuboid, cylinder, cube and all the 3D object we already learned in first class. Okay, so now first question of 13.1. First is a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep. A box is given. So it means whose length, breadth and height are given, all are different. It means it is a cube or cuboid. So it means it is a cuboid. Length is given 1.5 meter, breadth is 1.25 and depth means height also you can take. Okay, so you can write first length of plastic box, how much? 1.50 meter, same as it is. Breadth of plastic box 1.25 meter. Now depth or height. Okay, depth of plastic box is 65 centimeter. Yes, we observed one thing, or length in meter, breadth in meter, so also it means we will change depth also in meter. And how will you change? Centimeter in meter divide by 100, so it's 0.65 meter. Next in question is given, it is open at the top. This is a box. Okay, it is a box and it is open at the top, so it means it is open from the top. It's like a box of like a box, a cuboid which is open at the top, and it is given, find the and ignoring the thickness of the plastic box, determine the area of sheet required for making the box. So write area of whose area of sheet requiring to make a box. So tell me how much area is required. Area mean this one area, because this box is open from the top, so it means area is this one area, back side and this side on the left and this one right also, and the bottom also area. So it means we are not taking the area of top, because at the top it is open. So it means sheet is not using on top. Where is sheet is using? This one here and its back side and this one face and this one face and bottom. So we will write. So area, it means area of this sheet. So it means area of 4 walls, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is called area of curved surface area. Yes, curved surface area mean area of only, except then curved surface area of cuboid is the total area of the 4 walls, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Top and bottom are not included in curved surface area. So it means we will write total curved surface area plus area of bottom. Okay, and then area of bottom. And yes, curved surface area of cuboid, everyone know formula, 2 into L plus B into H, plus area of bottom, it is length, it is breadth, L into B. Otherwise you can find like this one also direct. Area of this one, it is length, it is breadth, so area of this face L into B, and its back side also L into B, and side face area breadth and its height, breadth into height, breadth into height, plus area of bottom L into B. Okay, so this one can be done because cuboid, this plastic box is opened at from the top, so it means top area is not a included. So now you can find easily 2 into, so 2 L plus B 1.50 plus 1.5 meter into height, how much? 0.65 plus 1.50 and multiply by 1.25. Okay, and now if you know, solve this one and it is very easy. So now 2 multiply, what is 1.50 plus 1.25? 2.75 multiply by 0.65 plus 1.50 multiply 125. Okay, this one you will solve yourself. Okay, it is only calculation, you have to multiply. First we will solve this one and multiply this one and adding both of values. Okay, and in last always area come in square, so meter square. Understand? I think you can do yourself. Second part, the cost of sheet for it if the sheet measuring 1 meter square equal to 20 rupees. What is given? Area is come in meter square. Solve yourself. Okay, next we will write cost of 1 meter square sheet, how much? 20 rupees. But we have to find total cost, and total cost how will you find? Tell me, if cost of 1 meter square is 20, cost of 2 meter square 2 into 20, cost of 5 meter square 5 into 20, and suppose only we are supposing, suppose area is come 225, only suppose, it is not come. Okay, only you have to suppose this one is come. When you multiply it, it is come, area is come, it is come 5.45 meter square. Area is come 5.45 meter square. Cost of 1 meter is 20 and cost of 5.45 meter square sheet how much? 20 multiply 5.4 and multiply what is? Solve this one. 20 into 545 divide by 100. 21 5 1 5 on the 5 0 and 5. So how much rupees? 109 rupees. Total cost of sheet is 109 rupees. So first we find total area of the sheet, plastic box, okay, and then multiply by 20. Are you understand it? Okay, only we have to, if you identify where is sheet is using at the this one here, back side and bottom, because at the open it is at the top box is open. At the top box is open. Therefore, at the top sheet is not a huge. Understand? Next, question number 2. Question number 2. Do yourself. Same as it is question. Question number 2. In this chapter, most of questions, students, we will do yourself. Okay? Because I already explained how to, what is the formula of cuboid, all the formula, volume, surface area, curved surface area. Okay? So, what is? Question number 2. Read. The length, breadth and height of a room. A room is given whose length, breadth and height are given 5, 4 and 3. And if length, breadth and height all are different, it means it is a cuboid. Yes, it is cuboid. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the ceiling. And this ceiling means roof. Okay, you want to whitewash on this room. Where? On the walls. Mean 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the ceiling at the top. It mean whitewash. Where are we doing? It mean area. It mean we will find curved surface area of room. Yes, curved surface area mean area for walls. You can think when at the Christmas, now is Christmas is going on, you know, and in the Christmas always we will decorate our house. We will whitewashing where? On our for all the four walls and ceiling. We are not whitewashing on floor. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one top 5. So it means area curved surface area of room plus area of a ceiling. Otherwise, area of curved surface area. Otherwise, you can write area of four walls. And area of four walls in a cuboid formula 2 into L plus B into H. Either you will write area of four walls or curved surface area. Curved surface area. Both are same. In place of curved surface area, you can write lateral surface are also. Lateral surface area. Both are same. Lateral surface area or curved surface area. 2 into area of four walls. 2 into L plus B into H plus area of ceiling. How much? Length into breadth. So do yourself this one, okay? And first find area and then in last we will multiply by 7.50. Understand? Do yourself this one also. Next question. Question number 3. Read everyone. Question number 3. The floor of a rectangular hole. Rectangular hole has a perimeter 250 meter. A hole. The floor of the hole is rectangle. It means hole is like a cuboid and it is floor. And floor is like a rectangle. Yes, rectangle given. And next is given. If the cost of painting the four walls at the rate of 10 rupees per meter square is this one, find the height of wall, area of wall. It means in the question is given area of floor is given, area not area of floor, perimeter. The floor of rectangular hole has a perimeter. Perimeter is given and is the cost of painting the four walls. So it means cost of painting of only four walls is given. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means what we are finding? Area of curved surface area or lateral surface area. So find the height of wall. Find the height of wall. Length is not given, breadth is not given, height is not given. We have to find height. So we will write let length of hole is L and breadth of hole B and height of a hole is H. And we have given in the question the total cost of four walls to whitewashing, to painting. How much given? 15,000 rupees. And tell me total cost is how it's come. First we will find, in the question is given area of 1 meter square. Cost of 1 meter square is 10 rupees. Only 1 meter square is 10 rupees. It means 10 is multiply the area of total area of four walls. Multiply by 10 is come 15,000. Yes. So we will find first area. So in the question is given perimeter of rectangular hole. How much given? rectangular hole perimeter is given 250 meter. And tell me, do you know what is the perimeter of rectangle? Do you know? 2 into L plus B. It is perimeter of hole. It is also perimeter of hole. It means both are equal. Yes. 2 into L plus B equal to 250 meter. It is given in question. 250 is perimeter. Whose perimeter? The floor. Floor of the hole. And floor of the hole is always rectangle. It means rectangle perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Understand? Now, and we want to paint on 4 walls. So write area of 4 walls. So area of 4 walls how much? 2 into L plus B into H. Yes. 2 into L plus B into H. So what is the total area of 4 walls? And tell me, what is the value of 2 into L plus B? 2 into L plus B how much? 250 into H. And area is always in meter square. Because perimeter given in meter, so area in meter square. Understand? And everyone know, in the question is given cost of 1 meter square painting is 10 rupees. 10 rupees and total of 1 meter square, cost of 1 meter square painting is how much? It's 10 rupees, and but total area is how much given? 250 multiply by H also, right? Cost of 250 multiply H meter square painting. How much? And you know, cost of 1 meter is 10 rupees. Cost of 2 meter square, 2 into 10. Cost of 3 meter square, 3 into 10. And cost of 250 multiply by H equal to 10. How much come? It is 2500 H rupees. Understand? But in the question is given total cost how much? Total cost is 15,000 rupees, and it is also total cost. And if both are total cost, it means both are equal. Both are equal. 2,500 multiply by H equal to 15,000, because 15,000 is also total cost and it is also total cost. And we want to find H. So 15,000 divided by 2,500. So 0 now. So what is height of this hole is how much? 6 meter. Understand or not? So only one thing is remember, total cost. How can we find? First we will find what is the total area of 4 walls and then multiply by 10. It is the total cost. So length of the hole L, breadth is B, height is H, and we find the perimeter. It is the perimeter of rectangular hole. So first find the perimeter of rectangular hole, this one. And area for walls 2 into L plus B into H, and 2 into L plus B into H value is given 250. So 250 into H. So it is the total area of 4 walls. And from here we find cost and then so on. Understand? Next is question number 4. If you have remember formula, this chapter is very easy. Question number 4. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area of 9.375 meter square. The paint in a certain container. Suppose it is a container. Okay, it is the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375. In this container, some paint is given, and which is sufficient to paint the how much area? 9.375 meter square. How many brick of dimensions mean length, breadth and height of the given of the brick. 22.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container. This container is made by the brick, and brick is used its outer boundary. Yes, so it's mean what we are using, it's a total surface area. Understand or not? So we will write so how many brick of the dimension so can be painted out. So how many brick we can paint? So first we will write length of brick. How much given? 22.5 centimeter. Breadth of brick 10 centimeter. Height of brick 7.5 centimeter. And we have to find how many brick to need can be paint out of this container. Okay. So first we will find, we want to find how many number of brick. So first we will find the what is area of a one brick. What is area of a one brick? We will write so surface area. Otherwise you can write total surface area. Total surface area of one brick. How much? Total surface area formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So find 2 multiple L into B 22.5 into 10 plus B into H 10 into 7.5 plus H into L 7.5 multiply 22.5. Now 22.5 into 10. First we will remove decimal. 10 cancel to 10. How much? 225 plus again remove decimal and it is 75. Next this one. So we will solve 7.5 into 225. It is 10. It is 10. So 5 2 5 15 5 2. So it is come 5 for the 5 this one. Okay, and it is come 15 5 ja 75, 15 4 ja 60, 60 plus 7 67 divided by 4. How much? 4 1 ja 4, 4 6 ja 26, 4 8 ja this one 78. Next is and 4 so what? 168. Understand? So it is the dimension. So 168.75. Now so 2 into, so add this one all 0.75. Now 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 5 18, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 2 16. Now 2 plus 1 3 then 4. So it is come. So 2 5 into 2 10, 2 into 7 50 decimal, 8 into 2 into 8 6, 2 into 6 12 plus 1 carry 13 and 1 is get 8 9. It is centimeter square. Centimeter square. Okay, it is the area of one brick, but in this paint, in this container, some paint is given which is required for to paint of 9.75 meter square, and it is in centimeter square. Either we will change it is in meter square or this one in centimeter. Okay, so we will write first, let number of brick. We want to find how many brick. Let number of brick to paint is how much? Is number to paint is n. Okay, how many? N. And we know in question is given area of one brick is this one, and n multiply area of one brick 937.5 equal to, this is the area of all brick, and equal to how much area? 9.375 multiply by, it is meter square. Okay, change in centimeter, so it is meter square, it is centimeter, so it is 9 multiply 93650, and this one 9.300 multiply 100. So solve it yourself. Okay, and then it is come find the value of n. Okay, understand? I hope understand it. These are very easy question if you have to remember only formulas. Okay, thank you everyone, have a nice day.